Have you ever wondered if Sofi, that popular financial app, comes with a price tag? Well, let's dive in and find out together. Sofi has been making waves in the financial world, offering a wide range of services from personal loans to investing. But with so many options out there, it's natural to ask, is there a cost associated with using Sofi? Before we get to the nitty-gritty, let's explore what Sofi actually offers. It's a one-stop shop for various financial needs, including personal loans, competitive interest rates and flexible terms, investing, stock, ETF, and cryptocurrency trading, credit cards, cashback rewards, and low interest rates, student loans, refinancing options to potentially lower your monthly payments, savings accounts, high-yield rates compared to traditional banks. Addressing the main question, now, let's address the burning question, does Sofi cost money? Free services. Basic account, opening a Sofi account is typically free. You can access many features without paying a dime. Investing, while you might pay fees for certain investment activities like trading or managing your portfolio, the platform itself is usually free to use. Savings accounts, Sofi often offers high-yield savings accounts with no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. Potential costs. Personal loans, while Sofi doesn't charge origination fees or prepayment penalties, you'll still need to pay interest on your loan. Credit cards, some Sofi credit cards might have annual fees, but others offer no annual fee options. Student loan refinancing, refinancing your student loans might involve closing costs, but Sofi can help you navigate these fees. Additional considerations. Fees for specific features, some advanced features or services might have associated fees. For example, using a financial advisor or accessing certain investment tools could incur costs. Early withdrawal penalties. Be aware of any early withdrawal penalties for savings accounts or certificates of deposit. Interest rates. While Sofi often offers competitive interest rates, it's important to compare them with other financial institutions to ensure you're getting the best deal. So, does Sofi cost money? The short answer is, it depends. While many of Sofi's basic services are free, there are potential costs associated with certain products or features. It's essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of any Sofi product or service you're considering to understand the associated fees or charges. If you're interested in exploring Sofi as a financial tool, be sure to do your due diligence and research the specific products or services that align with your financial goals. You can visit Sofi's website or contact their customer support for more information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.